Hey guys, it's Bree here from Bree Tech TV, brought to you by CPRPCRepair.net, where we can fix your computer. I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing. It's not really much to unbox for the T-Force GDR4 Gaming RGB RAM. So I picked up a stick of 8 gigabytes of RAM from Newegg, which one of my coworkers suggested, a good friend of mine. He's very much a tech enthusiast, so he suggests these and he showcased them to me in one of his builds. It was brilliant. You know, I'm kind of going for this whole Batman theme right now. Sorry if I sound a little off right now. I lost my voice last weekend. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get into the unboxing. As you guys can see here, this is the T-Force Delta RGB. This is a brand that I'm really not 100% familiar with, so I'm just going to do some benchmarks and testing on it, basically to see if it holds up to some of my intensive game playing, see if it holds up to some video editing and so on and so forth, you know, rendering and, you know, and such. So here we got the 2400 megahertz. And you can see here that we have the cast latency, which is at 15, 17, 17, 35 at 1.2 volts, made in Taiwan. And of course, you have a lifetime warranty on RAM. Here's the back of the box. Full frame 120 degrees ultra wide angle lighting, built-in force flow RGB lighting effect, aluminum alloy heat spreader with asymmetric minimalist design. You guys can read the rest. And this does support the Aura technology software. So if you have an ASUS motherboard, then you will be able to control the lighting. And as you can see there, it says lifetime warranty. So let's go ahead and pause the video so I can show you the stick of RAM and kind of feel for the build quality, I guess. I'm testing out, you know, my phone video. Basically going to get some video editing tech or hardware so that I can provide you guys with some enthusiast tech videos. You know, I'm not in this for competition or for monetary purposes. I'm in this just to give my true, valid reviews for some of the stuff that I buy. All right, guys, so we are back. Here's the T-Force Delta stick of RAM with the T-Force brand on the RGB strip here. It's actually lighter than I thought it would be. Let's see, there's some more information on the back. It comes with the manual, which also gives you an idea of other RAMs that they have available. And it comes with a sticker. So how I do it is I will not put the sticker on my case until I've tested the RAM. So this is the actual RAM that I'm going to put into the build permanently. I'm probably going to test out some Corsair or the G-Skill RAM to see the RGB lighting effect and see how well it holds up, and, you know, do some benchmark testing as well. But so far, let's go ahead and see how it looks in the build. All right, so let's go ahead and go through some of the RGB cycles that the ASUS Aura Sync software allows you to use. So right now it's on the automatic sequence. I'm going to do some static sequences right now. So what I'm trying to go for is I'm trying to go for a yellow Batman look in my case, so basically yellow and black. So let's see if I can get close to that with this particular software. So I am on the latest version of ASUS Aura. Let's see here, we're going to do static. And we're just going to pretty much leave all that alone. And we're going to do my single color. And I'm going to do this 255080, I believe. And let's see if it even gets close to that. Alright, so let's see what we got. I'm going to try to do 255080, static mode. That just completely did red. So let's see if I can do RGB colors. Yellow. So if I try and get close to yellow, need to do 255, 255, and then 0. So let's do 255 here, and let's do yellow. So that's as close as it will get. Still kind of looks like a lime yellow kind of look here for the actual heatsink. And then you have the green here, so I'm probably off somewhere. But let's see. If I take the saturation down a little bit, apply. Okay, that makes it blue. Bring it back up to apply. Yeah, that didn't really get me the color I wanted. Let's see if I can change it a little bit. So, a little bit closer for the RAM, but as for the heatsink, it's kind of staying the same. So let's try to do the breathing effect since we're moving from different styles here. So I'm going to do red, apply. So that's the breathing effect. You can see this one's pink. This one is kind of a reddish pink. Let's try to do actual purple, violet. So for the camera aspect, it's probably coming in just a little bit off. So this color might be a little bit brighter. This one might be a little bit darker, so on and so forth. Let's try to do color cycle. This is a different option. So this one right here will go through different variations of colors. The actual motherboard is actually doing some sequence in the background as well, but it's also hidden behind the graphic card. So let's do the rainbow. So let's just go for the color cycle. If you are doing the color cycle, I would suggest doing this one with the NZXT Hue Plus kit. It comes with 2 LED strips so that you can do it like for this tower 900K, so you can do it on one side here, you can do it on one side here. Let's go for the rainbow. So basically we're going to do the RGB spectrum. Okay, so you guys see that one. And then let's do the comet. So if we do the comet, it's going to do a little bit of a different effect. Let's see what we get here. You guys can see that one. Make sure you guys are zoomed in. So you see that one's pretty cool. And then let's do flash and dash. Let's see how that one looks. Oh, that one's pretty out of this world. Yeah, that's pretty stellar. Let's see if we can change the color on that one. Let's do a little bit of the lighter blue. I think it'd be better if I actually turned off the lights for you guys. I think that would help. It might have helped. I mean, the camera is kind of pointing towards the window. Okay, and then let's go ahead and move on to the wave. Let's see how that sequence look. I have it on the fastest sequence right now. That kind of reminds me of Tron a little bit. All right, and then let's do some glowing yo-yo. So that's the glowing yo-yo effect. Yeah, I'm definitely impressed with this RAM. Okay, and then let's do the starry night effect. Let's change the color a little bit. Let's do some orange. Let's click apply. So once again, we've kind of got yellow here, we kind of got orange here, and this orange is kind of matching a little bit in the camera with this, but it's not quite, it's actually yellow. So then let's go do strobe effect, click apply. That's pretty psychedelic. Let's see if we can go to RGB mode. So let's select the DRAM. So as for the DRAM, so we're gonna go through the RGB spectrum for that one. So that one really doesn't pick it up if you choose that option. So if we turn that off, we go back here. Alright, so then let's go to smart. Basically, the smart feature will give you an idea of where your components are at. So right now, as you can see, the RAM is cool and the CPU are cool. So basically, it gives you temperature readings. If this turns red, then you know that your components are running hot. So, I mean, hey, you know, I'm pretty sure you guys have some type of hardware monitoring software, but that helps. Okay, and then we're going to click music. Let's test the music feature out. I'm not sure if this will actually work. I'm pretty unaware of this actual feature. I need to look it up a little bit more. So let's try to do some music. So we're going to find a song sample. Let's see what we have. Let's do Batman theme. And as you can see here, it actually plays with the music that's in sequence. So I'm actually doing Batman theme. You guys can't hear it, but there you go. If I change it to some rock, let's see, do I have any rock on this computer? No, I do not. That's the only song sample I have. But that's what you guys can play with yourselves. You know, it's pretty cool. But yeah, that is some of the features with Aura Sync and the T-Force Delta RGB RAM. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little snippet there. That was just a little add-in that I wanted to include. All right. I appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.